Hello, I'm Gillian Ivan Sanz. I was the one that did the experiments to see the kinds of reaction in chemicals has to other materials or other solutions. And I saw how these chemicals created such a good reactions to it, like how for the first experiment with the water solubility and how it reacts on the mixes with other reactants. Like for the first experiment was with the gasoline. It created a mixture that is immiscible, in which is the two could not mix because the oily properties of the gasoline it had. And with the others, it was kind of cool reaction, especially with the ethyl alcohol and the acetone, which when they mix with water, they became a whitish mixture that with a bit of gray in it, and it was really cool to watch them change when I was mixing them, and it greatly even changed their smell. It kind of on the I feel it was kind of irritating, but it was not much. But on the second one, so when I started the second experiment with the muriatic acid, was kind of dangerous, but I had it under control. It had a very strong reaction to the gasoline, which turned it into brown. Originally, gasoline was green. That was a very strong reaction. And it even changed its odor to a very light gasoline smell. Because gasoline, as we know, has a very strong smell. And how it reacted to the muriatic acid, it greatly changed it. Like, you couldn't even smell it properly when I did the experiments. And with same with ethyl and acetone, it had a great I don't know if it's gray or but it had a strong reaction. Same with water, it turned the ethyl and acetone to a whitish gray color. It changed its odor too entirely, which was very irritating to smell. Both ethyl and acetone had a very annoying smell to it that it was very not going well with with my nose. And with the third experiment, the caustic soda, it actually blew my mind what reaction it created. Uh, like the gasoline, it did not really mix per se. It was still there, but it greatly reduced the gasoline smell. Like it was non-existent when I was trying to smell it. And same with not same. It greatly differed with the ethyl and acetone. Ethyl changed into a yellowish color, like an not I don't know, like an orange juice, yeah, like an orange juice, and the smell of it was closely to perfume and a soap. I did not expect that really. And same with acetone. Acetone changed into a pinkish color, which greatly resembles its odor to a mint. Like the mints you buy in the store. I can't really name some, but it was really good smelling. And what really amazed me was with the acetic acid. It literally melted the caustic soda as it when I mixed it, it was just gone. The the caustic flakes was gone when I was mixing it. It was kind of hot. I don't know how it became like that, but and its odor, the smell was non-existent. You could never even smell it. Was gone. And the final test with the ignition was the flammability of each test. So when I went to do them, as you know, gasoline has a very, very strong reaction to fire. So the flammability was so strong. Uh, and with ethyl, it was more lighter. It was kind of uh invisible. I don't know. It was kind of invisible with a bluish kind of smell, kind of appearance to it, but it was light, and the flammability was very light.